In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in Odoo. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. First, we need to make sure that the import option is enabled in Odoo. Begin by navigating to the Settings menu, then proceed to General Settings. Within this section, look for the Developer Tools area. Here, you should see an option labeled Allow Import. Ensure that this is enabled, as it will allow you to bring in your journal entries from external files without any hitches. Next, head over to Journal Entries, and to do this efficiently, open the Accounting app in Odoo. Once you're in the Accounting app, direct your attention to the menu and navigate to Accounting. Then choose Journal Entries, and from there, click on Journal Items or Entries. This will present you with a list view of all current journal entries, providing a comprehensive overview. With the groundwork laid, it's time to click Import. At the top, you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on it reveals the Import Records option, which is your gateway to uploading either an Excel or CSV file containing your journal entries. Now, preparation is key. Let's focus on preparing your file for import. Begin by exporting a sample journal entry from Odoo. This step is crucial as it acts as your guide, showing you the exact fields that Odoo expects in your import file. Your file should include at least the following fields: Journal, which could be options like Miscellaneous, Sales, or Bank; Date, an optional but helpful reference; Account, using either the exact name or an external ID; Partner, if applicable; Label, which is essentially the description; and lastly, debit and credit amounts. If you have journal entries that span multiple lines, keep in mind that the first line should include the date, journal, and reference. For subsequent lines of the same entry, you can leave those fields blank. Most importantly, ensure that your debits and credits balance out to zero. Before finalizing the import, let's test it. Upload your file and take advantage of the Test Import button. This allows Odoo to validate your file for any errors such as missing accounts or incorrect formatting. If any issues are flagged, make the necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once your file successfully passes validation, you can confidently click Import to officially create the journal entries within Odoo. By following these steps accurately, you'll ensure that your journal entry import process is seamless and stress-free. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one in future videos.